is applicable to any team behavior, but the focus today is more towards Agile teams because Agile teams have certain special characteristics. So let's go into the Agile teams. I would like to start with a quick show of Agile Manifesto. All of us know what is Agile Manifesto. It has 4 philosophies. The very first philosophy is individuals and interactions over processes and tools. And individuals and interactions is part of our puzzle, the people part of the puzzle. Individuals and interactions, the people and their conversations are more important for Agile teams. And this philosophy has been extended further as part of Agile Principles. If you look at the 12 Agile Principles that follow the Agile Manifesto, you will see various references to these people and performance aspects. Let's look at the people aspects of the Agile Principles. Out of the 12 principles, I picked up 4 which are relevant to people and performance. The first principle says, build projects around motivated individuals, give them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job done. That's one of the principles. There's another principle which says, the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. And these two are talking about people and motivation levels and the trust within the team and the kind of support they need to do their job and the kind of information sharing, face-to-face conversation. So this is Agile Principle as far as people is concerned. Let's look at the performance aspects of Agile Principle. All of us know Agile Principles are part of the Agile Manifesto. It comes behind the Agile Manifesto, and all the Agilists follow the Agile Manifesto and Agile Principles. But then these 2 principles that you see on the screen are to do with the performance aspects. Agile processes promote sustainable development. What we call sustainable is the sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. That means an Agile team should be able to develop, continue to work in the same pace forever, indefinitely. That is sustainable. And the second part is, there is another principle which says, simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. If you think a little deeper into this principle, simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential, you will realize without this principle, the sustainable development is not possible. Only when you eliminate the waste, only when you maximize the amount of work not required to be done, do only the required amount of work, the simplicity aspect of it, the sustainable development is possible. So basically there are at least 4 principles which talks about people and the performance. Typically it talks about motivated individuals in a trust environment, having a face-to-face conversation, and we talk about sustainable development and simplicity. These are the Agile Manifesto and Agile Principles perspective. Now let's look at some of the statistics. In one of their articles written for Harvard Business Review in 2005, Mike and Richard said the average team achieves only 63% of their objectives of their strategic plans, which means there is 37% of the objectives are not met, either not met, sometimes not even started. So that's a big number, 37%, and this is a very conservative number. In fact, in many teams, it may be as high as 50%. But if you look at, this is the average team achievement for all the teams. But if you look at the data for Agile teams, you will realize that Agile teams deliver